Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to unhide a photo on iPhone. Okay, first things first, if you can find the hidden album or don't see the option to unhide the photo, just follow these additional steps. Exit the Photos app and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Photos. In the Photo settings, just look for the Show Hidden Album option. Make sure that it is turned on, and if it's off, toggle it on. Return then to the Photos app and you should now see the hidden album in your Albums tab. Inside the hidden album, you can select the photo you want to unhide. Tap then the three dots and choose Unhide, and the photo will be moved back to your photos. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now unhide a photo on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.